Try out the new glue-free lashes with me. If you've ever glued your eyes shut, this might be your product. As a professional dancer, I've applied hundreds of lashes, so I started applying like I normally do, and then I realized that the top is sticky, and I was doing it wrong. So then I had to read the instructions and realize that these lashes go on the bottom of your eyelashes, which is such a cool concept if you're trying to have a natural look because you won't see that strip. There was definitely a learning curve, even though I would say that I'm really confident putting lashes on. This was challenging, and it even made my eye red from just messing with my eyes so much. And I'll definitely have to get used to having a bulk underneath my eyelashes when I blink. It feels kind of strange. The kit provides these tweezers to squeeze your lashes and the false lashes. I always use mascara to kind of blend everything together. Dance moms, I would stick to traditional lashes. These would be super hard to apply to a child. However, I love the natural look and feel, and it's nice not to have to wait for the glue to dry. Follow for more tips.